Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. I took a trip up to San Francisco and I wanted to share my experience with the food up there. So, if you're interested in seeing my experience, keep on watching.
I did that. So we're gonna have some clam chowder and oysters here at Hog Island Oyster Company, and apparently you have to wait in line outside, but the line goes by really fast. If you sit at the bar, it's open seating. We finally made it in the restaurant after waiting forever. So here's what we have. And it comes with bread and butter.
Sweetwater, Grace, and Chelsea.
So we're adding lemon to it. Cheers. I'm gonna try this, it's like a minuet, whatever. What do you say, minuet? Minuet. It looks like it's shallots, onions. Oh yeah, vinegar for sure. Okay. I'm gonna try this now. Very, very delicious. I want to eat. I don't know how you guys can do this filming while eating. So let's try the other ones. Minuet. This one's good. Yeah. Thank you. Oh.
Steamers.
Yeah, steamers.
And mussels.
Oh yes. And the fries. Tasting the mussel. It's like a pesto cream sauce. You like it? Yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna take my piece of bread, dip it in here. Yum. All right, we're gonna try the clam. I feel like they put Italian sausage in that sauce. It tastes like a little bit of fennel. Good. This is so bomb.
And then that reminds me is of I think that's onions.
Is it onions?
But we need more onions. Yeah.
It's good, huh? Do you like the mussels better? Or the clams? They both have a different.
This is more brothy.
Yeah, and it's rich because it has Italian sausage in there, right?
Yeah.
The shark, like the collard greens. Yeah, it's like the collard greens. Let's grab this one. It's creamy. It has pesto cream, I believe, in it. The mussels are very so good. I think the mussels are pretty fresh because it's tender and it's not too tough. And yeah, I totally recommend this dish. Aftermath. It's pretty good. All gone. Before and after. Anyways, overall this restaurant was delicious. The wait was a bit long, so if you do have a huge party, you probably want to get here as soon as they open.
I give this restaurant 4 out of 5 stars because the food was amazing, but the wait was a bit long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my food adventures. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!